What is up, y'all, and welcome back to Qui Nichelle on the channel. Y'all know we talk about fashion, beauty, and life. And y'all, I'm just wanting y'all a really quick little grocery haul. Nothing too extreme, but yeah. So before we get into the video, make sure that you do like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, never forget to tell a friend about Qui Nichelle, because y'all know how we do on the channel. So y'all, me and baby just came from Walmart, and if you're keeping up with the channel, then you know that I started my healthy lifestyle change journey. So of course, grocery hauls are going to be a little bit different. Baby is not on a diet or anything like that, but I am. So I'm choosing not to have like a lot of carbs and stuff like that. Not necessarily a set diet, but closer to like a keto diet or something like that. Low carb, you know, high protein, whatever. But anyway, let me just go through these bags and show y'all what we picked up real quick. I got some more of these little shake up drink mix or whatever. I never had the peach mango green tea, but it sounds kind of good, so I'm gonna give that a try. Fruit punch I always get. I got some lemon juice because I am going to start doing my apple cider vinegar, cayenne pepper, and lemon juice. About, I think it's 6 to 8 ounces, drinking it like, sorry y'all, that car is so loud, but I'm drinking it like 3 times a week. In the mornings, I believe I'm gonna do it then. But that's what the lemon juice is mainly for. I got some Old Bay because I am doing me and baby like a little boil tonight. Some butter. Now these are new. We haven't saw these, some ground beef and pork patties. We're gonna try these out. Never even saw them. But there was about $7 for 8 of them. So we're gonna try these out or whatever. I showed y'all well, if you're keeping up with the weight loss and lifestyle change, y'all already saw that I showed y'all my Sprite that I ended up getting. And then I got me some popsicles, sugar-free, tropical, so good. I love these. And y'all, it's like a fly or something in here. Baby got this for his lunch, which is some kind of beef bean burrito. Is that a fly or a gnat? I got some new apple cider vinegar because mine is literally down to the end. So I did pick up a new one, and y'all always get the organic with the mother in it. So yeah, and y'all, I drink this, and like I would put it in like the bathtub and soak in it. Really good for your lady parts. So you can do a lot with apple cider vinegar. And then I showed y'all that I love this drink, zero sugar fruit punch by Minute Maid, real good. Let me clear some of these bags, y'all. And I can leave that out. Okay, so we did get some shrimp. And I'm gonna have just shrimp, boiled eggs, and sausage. That's all I'm gonna have for my little boil. Baby got this. He never had it, but he's gonna try like a little seafood mix. So I'm gonna cook that up for him, and I'm gonna add him some potatoes and some sausage to this. So hopefully he likes that. He's never had that. This is the kielbasa. And then here's, I'm gonna cook, I'm gonna take some of these out for baby. I'm not eating any potatoes with mine, but baby wanted some. I picked up some apples because y'all, on my weight loss journey, I'm not like cutting out fruit. That's the only like sugar that I plan to have. It's some fruit, and I'm not cutting out fruit because I love fruit, but I am gonna scale it back because I know a lot of fruits do have sugar in it. So I'm gonna at least have like an apple a day, something like that. I've been eating peaches, and I got some peaches too. Okay, yeah, so I did pick up 4 peaches, 2 for me and 2 for baby. So I have been eating other fruit or whatever, but I do know that apples are much better because they're higher in fiber and lower in sugar. So I did pick up some apples. This is for baby with his lunch, a little fruit bowl, and he got it on like a little clearance. So baby's gonna take that tomorrow. And then we did get a case of water that's on the floor or whatever. And then we got some eggs. So that's this little haul. But y'all, I hope y'all are following my lifestyle, you know, change or whatever. I've been like showing, you know, what I'm eating and stuff like that. And y'all, I'm gonna just say, I know this is a grocery haul, but I'm talking about groceries, so I'm gonna just say, doing this lifestyle change, I want to document it because I literally want to see what I'm eating and what I'm doing, and go back to the day like, okay, this is what I did, this is what I did, and I'm being all the way honest because for one, if I lie and say, okay, I didn't eat fruit snacks or whatever, knowing that I did, it will show up in like the progression of me losing weight. So it ain't no point in me to lie or whatever. And like I said, I'm not gonna be drinking that much cold drink, but I was just in Walmart, but I did get a zero instead of just a regular Sprite or a juice or something like that. But I'm just gonna document it because for one, I want to look back, and for two, somebody, I may motivate somebody else to lose weight. Also, buying the type of groceries that you buy will play a big part in what you actually eat. You still can mess up, of course, but generally, if you have the better things or whatever in the house, then you probably will be more likely, I would say me, I'll be more likely to eat what's in the house versus going out or whatever. I know the journey gonna be hard for me because of the stuff that I love, like pasta, potatoes, and stuff like that. But I'm documenting it, and I did lose 1 pound, so I'm not gonna hold you. I did lose 1 pound already. And I only been doing it for 2 days, so I think that's really good. I've been drinking a lot of water, which I already like water in the first place. But just choosing better options. Like baby is gonna have potatoes. I don't feel the urge to have any potatoes, so I'm really feeling good about the journey that I'm on. I do know that at some point, I may get the urge to want to eat the things that I love a lot again. But I'm going to try my hardest to kind of fight through that and stay on my little regimen. And just, you know, keep it going and put some good energy around what I'm doing. But y'all, that was my little rant and my little mini grocery haul. Make sure that you do like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, never forget to tell a friend about Qui Nichelle, because y'all know how we do on the channel. And y'all, that's really it. See y'all later. Oh wait, we are out.
Nothing but a robe in your house. I wanna put these pretty pink toes in your mouth. Send news to your phone while you working.